Hello, my friends. Welcome to your own channel. Actually, this is our first video, and I just wanted to share my whole informations and experiences with you all guys for free because you deserve it. Um, let's just jump through it. This is an HTML course. Let's have introduction about HTML. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. We want to know what is HTML. Actually, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the startup markup language for creating web pages, and HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements, and elements tell the browser how to display the content. And HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, and this is a link, and etc. Sorry. For learn HTML, we should using a notepad, which is in all doses, I'm sure here. Notepad, simple. We can use this or a text editor, such as VSCode. Let's download VSCode, which I suggest download it. Download VSCode. It has different versions for Mac, Linux, Windows, and which I'm using Windows right now. I download this. Okay, I already have it. VS Code. It's just so simple to install it. Just click next. Yeah, Alright, here we go. This is our text editor. Oh, this is gonna drive me crazy. Let's just start. First, we should create a new folder. Always. This is our root folder. Name it your project. I wanna name it HTML. What happened? Okay, nothing happened. Okay, here's our folder. We can drag it just so simply in VS Code. Ooh. Here we go. Okay, here our folder. But we can also have a new folder in our folder. What is this? Okay, let's click on new folder and let's name it, I don't know, public. Okay, first of all, we should know that name the file of HTMLs should end with, for example, here we can write the specific name for our file, for example, index, that it should end with HTML. So our browser, our compiler recognize it's an HTML file. Simple. I relieved. Okay, we have a public folder and I'm so funny, I know. We have a public folder, and in public folder we have Index.html. Let's check. Okay, here it's our folder HTML public folder which we created before, and index inside it. Perfect. Let's start. Okay, first we should install a couple of beautiful extensions. For example, no, not beautiful. First, necessaries. Live server is necessary. What is it? Live server. Yeah, this is live server. Just click on install, which is here. I've already installed it. And HTML, search HTML. We want snippets for HTML, which is so useful. just install it, or we want a extension that support HTML. Okay, if you don't like the theme of VSCode, you can search for, what is that, material, I forgot it, material icon, no, material community theme. Yeah, it has theme, or no, material theme. Okay, you can choose material theme and set different what happened? Okay, it just changed my theme. Okay, I don't like this. High contrast, no. Oh no, not light. Ocean high contrast, oh no. Too purple, but no problem, I'll change it later. Oh no, it's too purple. No. What is this? Dark. Okay, let's have. What? No, what happened? What is this? Okay. Oh. Okay. No. Oh my. Everything is okay. Let's just start the course. Here we go. Type this. It's an image abbreviation. What is this? We'll see. Just click on enter, and voila, we have a doc type ready for our HTML. And if you use Notepad, you should have write all of this by yourself, which is so boring. It takes too much time. No, we'll describe all of this. Just relax. This is an HTML document. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration. Doc type HTML. The HTML document itself begins with HTML and ends with HTML. Okay, HTML begins, ends. Okay, and the visible part of the HTML document is between body. Okay, when we open a website, the user only sees here, this part. Okay, these are not visible for our users. So the doc type declaration represents the document type and helps browser to display web pages correctly. It must only appear once at the top of the page before any HTML tags. The doc type declaration is not case sensitive, so relax and chill. Okay, I'm so happy it's not case sensitive. Yeah, it's simple. Believe me, HTML is very, very, very simple. The doc type declaration, the HTML5 is, as you see here. Okay, and we are using the last version of HTML, which is HTML5. Let's talk a bit about HTML headings. Don't rush into it. We'll talk about everything in HTML, but I want to talk about H1. So, what is H1? It's heading, and headings are defined with the H1. Let me write it. H1 to it begins with the H1 tag and ends with the H1 tag. The ending tag has an slash more than beginning tag. It's that simple, guys, you see? Okay, and we have 6 heading tags, H1 to H6. Okay, we can have H2. H3, H4, H5, and H6. Pay attention, we should code in body. Okay, this is the part which is visible for the users in our web page. Just simple, yeah. H1 defines the most important heading and is bigger than any heading tags, and H6 defines the least important heading. We'll see. Okay, let's see. What should I write here? HTML is simple. And let's just copy this. Okay, first let's see this. We should click right on our Index.html and open with live server. It has a short key, Alt plus L, Alt plus O. Okay, let's open it in live server. Here we go. Okay, here is our H1 tag in our website. Congratulations, you just created a website. Okay, HTML is simple, it's H1. Let's have it in H2. Okay, here click on file and tick autosave, so you don't have to click on Ctrl plus S after everything you write. Okay, just for code faster. HTML is simple is H2, and as you see, it's a little bit smaller than H1. Here, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Let's see. Oh, how interesting. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. As you see, these are all headings in HTML. Yeah, and you know that I told him all. Yeah, I guess. These are headings. It doesn't have anything more. But what is p tag? We can't type everything in headings. These are headings. For example, this is the first heading of our site, and we want to have a brief description about it. So we use p tag. What is p tag? P tag is an element that defines a paragraph, and it has a start with p tag and ends with p tag. Yeah, it's as simple as H1 is. Let's write something in it. For example, my first paragraph. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's below the H1, my first paragraph. What would happen if we write it next to H1? Let's see. Uh-oh, nothing happens. Why? Because H tag is a block tag. What is a block tag? A block tag is a tag which block the line in our website, and when we use a block tag, we're not allowed to use any other tags in that line. And so here, this line is only and only till the end for this H1 tag. And it doesn't matter if we put the P tag just next to H1 tag. It goes to the next line. But is P tag also a block element? Let's try. Let's copy this and paste it right next to P. Uh-oh, it's also a block element. But hey, I have a question. What if in a P tag, for example, I wanted to, it was only one paragraph, but I wanted a word in next line. So, here's our solution. The BR tag defines a line break and is an empty element without a closing tag. So, what is empty HTML elements? HTML elements with no content are called empty. I'm sorry, are called empty elements. What is this? Yeah, I'm right. Empty elements is yeah, right. Is just I'm so funny, I know. Okay. So empty or empty. Oh, I don't know. Empty elements such as BR are elements with no content. So what is BR? For example, I have such a long paragraph. Lorem is used for this. Lorem can generate short test paragraph for us. So if you type lorem and type a number after that, for example 20, it says, please give me a test paragraph with 20 words. Okay, with 15 words, with 10 words. Okay, here we go. Let's see the result. Okay, this is our paragraph. But here, I want this to the next line, but for that, there's no way. I should use another paragraph. Maybe you say, but no, we can use an empty element which has no content. And an empty element doesn't have a closing tag. Okay, like BR. Okay, it's an empty element. And we put it exactly right before the line that we want to break. So let's see. Oh, interesting. It goes to the next line. What would happen if I put 2BR? Let's see. What happened? Okay. Oh, 2 lines break. What if I put 3 BRs? Or 4 for more. Here you can see. Okay, you know that. I have a good news for you. HTML is not case sensitive. And HTML tags are also not case sensitive. So if I put BR here, you would see. Okay, let's try somewhere else. No, what happened here? Okay, let's put a BR here, but with capital. Okay, you can see it's not case sensitive, so BR with small letters and BR with capital letters or any other tags in HTML means the same. So the HTML standard does not require lowercase tags, but we recommend lowercase tags in HTML. And you know, it's better for clean code, you know. Okay. Let's jump to the next step. No, I'm tired. Let's keep it for episode 2. I wanna name it episode 1 of my channel name. Code. What was that? Code Goddess. What is this? Okay. Goodbye, guys. Have a really, really nice day.